Namaskar, this is Professor Eslal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session, probability and random process. Today, we are going to discuss the topic, please note down, input, output process, input, output process as a reflected random walk. Input output process, input output process as a reflected random walk. I hope you have written the topic, and kindly recall in previous lecture we have also you can say we have discussed the topic random walk is what, and today we are just going to stimulate this topic with the concept of your computer science and engineering and communication engineering. So input and output process is what? In a reflected random walk. So for the sake of convenience and without loss of generality, and I would like to share the topic for your consideration. You can see here, and I suggest you that kindly see this example number 23. You can take a screenshot of this also, and I am trying to explain the same with you. Let us consider an input-output system. Let us consider, you write here, let us consider an input. Input, you know what you are giving, and output means what you are getting. If you are inserting something and if you are getting something. So if you are supplying any, you can say, some data to a pattern, then in a stochastics process, after every input you are going, it is fixed that you are going to get an output. But here we are discussing about the random walk in probability. So try to correlate that concept with this, and it's very easy for you to understand, and it is very simple also. So let us consider an input-output system in which the quality of item xn in the system, possibly negative, at the end of time period n is in a set of capital S of all integers in a fixed interval, closed interval AB. We are considering here a fixed interval, that is closed interval AB, and also the small a and small b are integers that may be infinite. Now in each period small a, please write. Now in each period small a, small n, the system has a potential input. That is, it may increase Vn, and potential output, it may decrease also Un. So you are taking here Vn as in potential input and Un as potential output, and the pair Un Vn where n is greater than or equal to 1 are IID, non-negative integer value vectors, and are independent of x0. This is important line for you to get. Part or all of an arriving quantity is rejected or disregarded to the extent that its admittance would force the system a state to exceed B. Similarly, outputs are disregarded to the extent that they would move the system state below small a. Input and outputs occurring at the same time cancel each other. Then the quantity in the system at that time and satisfy the recursion. And the recursion is here what? Xn is equal to A and like this. And by the proposition of Markov chain, you know this Pij relation is also. Please take a screenshot of this. This Markov chain has the extraordinary property that its recursive equation has a closed form solution to Xn, and consider the random walk or input process as Zn is equal to sigma m is equal to n to n Vm minus Um. Here you are relating the output and input potential, and note that Xn is equal to, you have seen in the previous result also, that Xn may be written as X0 plus Zn minus this whole. And students, the next part of this input and output process, since this is a, you can say, bigger aspect, so will be discussed in the next class. And you know that this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. And in case of any query or any confusion, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. We shall try to resolve your query from there. Thank you very much for joining and enjoying the lecture. Thanks a lot again.